beginning or starting the game. The team winning the toss decides which goal it wishes to attack in the first half of the game. The other team takes the kick-off to start the game. The team which wins the toss takes the kick-off to start the second half of the game. The second half of the game, the teams change end and attack the opposite goal.
Direct free kick or penalty kick.
A direct free kick is awarded if a player commits any of the following offenses against an opponent in a manner considered by the referee to be careless, reckless, or using excessive force. Kick-in is a method of restarting play. Kick-in is awarded to the opponents of the play who last touches the ball when the hull of the ball crosses the touchline, either on the ground or in the air, or touches the ceiling of the hull. A goal may not be scored directly from a kick-in. Corner kick is a method of restarting play. A corner kick is awarded when the hull of the ball passes over the goal line, either on the ground or in the air.
Having less touches the player of the defending team and a goal is not scored accordance with Law 10. The goal clearance. Goal clearance are taken when the ball wholly crosses the goal line and not under the crossbar and between the goal path, and after being touches last by the attacking team. The ball is thrown or released from any point within the penalty area by the goalkeeper of the defending team. The ball is in play when it is thrown or released and clearly moves. The ball must be put into play within 4 seconds or the team being ready to put the ball into play or the referee signaling. Timeout. Futsal matches comprise 2 periods of lasting 20 minutes of actual playing time. The clock is stopped every time the ball goes out of play and it's restarted when play resumes. Teams are entitled to a 1 minute's time out in each period. Cumulated foul. All direct free kick fouls are recorded on the score sheet and on the scoreboard. If one team accumulates 6 or more direct free kick fouls in one half, the opposing team will take a direct free kick without a wall. If the foul occurs farther from the tracking goal than the second penalty spot, the direct free kick without a wall is taken from the second penalty spot. Advantage after accumulated foul. Advantage is applied in futsal. Direct free kick foul will count as accumulated fouls if advantage is applied, even if play is not stopped by the referees. If the referees gestures with both arms, the foul was a direct free kick foul and will be counted accordingly. If the gesture is with one arm, the free kick should have been indirect and will not count as an accumulated foul. Yellow card or caution. The offending player is shown a yellow card. If a player is shown 2 yellow cards in a match, he is shown a red card. Red card or send-off. The offending team plays with 1 less player for 2 full games minutes or unless scored upon before the 2 minutes penalty expires. The offending player serves a minimum 1 match suspension.